In today's guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to set up your Interactive Brokers account for day trading. So we'll cover the essential settings, trading permissions, platform configuration, and the tools you need to trade quickly and efficiently. So day trading requires margin. So for that, you open the client portal, then you go to settings and account settings, then under configuration, you click account type, and then margin account, then save and confirm. Then you need to enable permissions first. Go to settings, trading permissions, and enable stocks, options, and futures. Submit the request and wait for approval. To day trade, you need real-time data. You go to settings, user settings, and market data subscriptions. And common subscriptions include US equity and options bundle, NASDAQ total view, and CME, NYMEX, or CBOT. Activate and confirm payments. And also TWS gives you the fastest execution and pro level chart tools. You just download TWS from IBKR's website, open it and switch to classic layouts for day trading, and then set up watch list or the entry panel, charts with 1 minute or 5-second time frame, and then in file and global configuration, make sure hotkeys are enabled, order presets are set to market or limited market depending on your strategy, and confirmations are disabled for faster execution. IBKR automatically applies pattern day trader rules. So to day trade US stocks, your account must have 25,000 minimum balance in dollars, and IBKR will then allow Forex intraday buying power. And that's how you set up Interactive Brokers for fast, reliable day trading. Once everything is configured, you'll have real-time data, optimized execution, and layout designed for quick decisions. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.